Meaning of enigma.
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 Enigma. Enigma refers to something that is mysterious, puzzling or difficult to understand. It can also refer to a machine used for encoding and decoding messages during World War II. The Enigma machine ensured secure communication between the Nazi army and navy, making it difficult for Allied forces to intercept messages. However, codebreakers such as Alan Turing eventually cracked the code, which helped turn the tide of the war. Overall, Enigma embodies the idea of mystery and intrigue, often with an element of secrecy and complexity.